I first learned about it from the same news reports that I think most people learned about this. I think it was on Friday.
We don't have any independent knowledge of that. He found out about the news reports yesterday on the road.
I can assure you that I certainly did not know anything about the IG report before the IG report had been leaked through the press.
Do you know when he first knew that there was a problem?
Well, I think it became clear fairly early on, the first couple of days, that...
So not before that, though? Not before
No, sir.
October 1st?
Why wasn't the president told, though? This is his signature achievement. Was he being insulated?
We did not expect or anticipate the scale of the problems that has occurred.
There was no follow-up, to my knowledge, with the president, but his staff was engaged with the National Military Command Center and pretty constantly through the period.
But no direct communication from him?
Not on my part. No.
Why won't you tell us what day he learned? Was it yesterday, the day before?
Ed, what I can tell you is when the president found out, he was disturbed. Everyone knows, the president did not know about this tactic until he heard about it through the media.